Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Safiul Adam, and I'm the group leader for my group for this hackathon for Pakistan Engineering Council Generative AI course hackathon, and we are part of cohort 2. So first of all, I would like to share my gratitude to ICO Guru, Park Angels, Aspire Pakistan, and especially Pakistan Engineering Council for this opportunity. And obviously, we are pretty much, we can say, indebted to all these stakeholders who provide us very good, we can say, mentorship across all like 5 to 6 weeks and more than a month. So first of all, what basically is our project? Our project is basically a RAG-based NLP, natural language processing, you can say chatbot and assistant as well. And that answers the questions using our documents, based upon our documents, which we upload to it, and also from online resources using for like literature review and some research purposes for educational purposes, which is called as archive. And it provides accurate context-aware insights and free from mimicry and hallucinations. So what does this mean? I will explain you in a bit. And this tool specifically is free of cost, obviously, and perfect for literature review, research, and the different deep, you can say, content understandings. So first of all, let us have a look on this archive. What is this archive? So without any further ado, I have opened a Google search. So what is archive? Archive is a, you can say, free and open source, you can say, a library, just like a Google Scholar library in which we can read and do research on research papers from physics, mathematics, and etc. So it is just, you can say, and just like a Google Scholar library, just like Google Scholar, and it is an open source. And yeah, so we have integrated this in our RAG-based NLP chatbot, which we named previously as Deep Read. Then we named it to Neuro Read. You can see here. Okay. So this is the live current working model. We will get back to it later. But first of all, just have a look on the presentation. And apart from that, we can discuss that what are the main issues and why we are discussing and generated this solutions. First of all, generative AI has limits, as we discuss in this project, in this whole course, that it produces sometimes very hallucinations and generic content, not very accurate content. Uh, I'm talking about ChatGPT, even it's 4 or 4. And lost knowledge, well, sometimes valuable information trapped in like it got trapped. Okay. So apart from that, we have no native document upload and research. Like I have a lot of documents for my research. So free version, I'm not talking about the pro version. I have the pro version myself and I'm using it for some time. It has this capability, but I'm talking specifically about the free version. It cannot gives us this liberty to, you can say, upload the native documents from our current local machinery like computer or anything else, mobiles or etc. So apart from that, the privacy concerns are obviously there because you can say the OpenAI is an American company and we are not in terms of very good because in these things data is the new gold, everyone says. So all the data uploaded in ChatGPT can go to, not can, it obviously goes to OpenAI. So these are the main concerns. It is very you can say privacy concern, and the AI generative AI has its limits, and it does not have that knowledge and stuff. So apart from that, let's move on to the next next slide. So these are the solutions which we provide through our NLP based RAG project. So our project supports PDF, documents, TXT, any format, and it is obviously it is free to use to everyone, even apart from a PEC group or anyone else, even outside from the PEC organization, anyone can use it. We will discuss later on how we can commercialize it and can get revenue from it. Apart from that, it has context ground answers. The responses are completely based upon our documents. It will not hallucinate or generic, and cannot create generic document. You can say responses. And apart from that, the literature review and research support is obviously there. And the one I mentioned, you can say the archive solution. It is one which can help us in this portion, online literature and research support. And apart from that, it is very cost effective. Obviously, the ChatGPT model, it costs around $20, and our solution is totally free. We are using Grok API, and we are using different solutions uh, through which we can do the stuff. And just moving on to further to the next slide. This is the main front end. In front end, we are using Hugging Face and Gradio. Previously, we used Streamlit, but it gives some errors. And after Gradio, we have OpenAI. And apart from that, in AI frameworks, we have Grok API, Gemini, and AI frameworks. AI framework. Apart from that, this is our high-level literature, you can say architecture of our system design, where the documents get uploaded in our system. Then we have the file reader. It gets the chunks and embeddings of the documents. It does the tokenization, and then it goes to vector databases. It gets stored in the vector databases, and when we get retrieved from like Grok API and different tools which we have used, so it gets answered with the help of Grok, and then like it gives a proper research and answer based upon our documents. And you know, this is the live demo. Uh, we will share it later on, obviously. These are the team members. My name is Safi. I'm the group leader, Safiullah Adam. And the second member is Mam Khan. The third one is Sumail Shafiq. And the fourth one is Sanam Basim. Everyone has contributed to best of their, you can say, best of their knowledge and best of their capacity. And these are the main summary that our product is a context-aware AI. It does pinpoint accurate answers based upon your documents and accurate resources from archive. So it does both. It does not only depend upon your documents, it does only research from archive. It is a cost effective. Let me show you the next slide. What does it mean? Because expensive AI apps like Lovable or like Cursor and OpenAI, we don't have to use it. We can use it freely, and we can manage the knowledge, centralized insights from all the resources. And in last, we will share you can say the link with you as well. Now, quickly come on to the problem statement. One of the biggest problem statement, you can see this is my free version. This is my personal account. So 353, and this is the free version. I don't have any plus here. So I did this message. I'm preparing literature review for my PEC Generative. I have given it previously all the context of the project and my hackathon, and I told A to find me the research paper for literature review, and this is what happens. It gives me only 4 to 5 generic. This is not relevant to my research. It gives me a generic answers, you can see here. And apart from that, only based upon 4 to 5 queries, which I made to the free version, it gives me this limitation that before 5 a.m. I cannot be able to use again. Okay. So these are one of the major, because the information is not correct, number one. Number two is there's a limit in free version. Okay. So now let's get back to our main, you can say, system. This is our system, NeuroRead. You can see here, we can use doc, PDF, anything. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to upload documents here. So let me just select, it can be multiple documents. I have selected multiple documents. And first of all, we need to process these documents, and let me open the questions. I have written them down previously. and here it is. Okay, so what we can do is we can just copy the question, and here's the query button. What we need to do is we need to go there. Okay, so this is the clear index because everything gets, you can say, saved in it. So what we need to do is we need to clear index after all. Now it gets completed. Now I have to go to, there, now I will do the search from these documents in semantic tag tool. You can see here, it gives me sources, it gives me the accurate answer from the documents, and there it is. Okay, so I can further do it. Let me do it for you. I can cross it, I can clear the index, it will delete all the previous. Now I will upload again these three different documents, and I can process these. Okay, upload is finished. Now we can upload them, we can process them. And now let me ask few more questions from it. Categorize adversarial attacks based on objectives. Okay, so let's see how it goes now. Okay, we can do from here as well. We can do the research as well from archive directly. You can see it gives all the research papers relevant. Okay, so this is the main thing. We can do upload and process. We can do process the documents, and apart from processing, we can do the semantic research from the documents, and obviously we can do from open source as well. Later on, we can do index as well. So this is the our working model. We can share the link with you as well. You can see here, this is the Techie Tribe is our group name, and the product name is NeuroRead. And yeah, have a good one. And we will share the link as well. You can